Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is "The Day Police Took on the Entire Hood." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
23. Officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute between two neighbors. The victim claimed he had been struck by his neighbor, who claimed the man was trespassing on her property. Watch and see how this encounter played out.
The police were called out here earlier. Yeah. They told him what his ass needs to do. The thing is still going to stand. He bring his ass over here, I'm a flatline. Okay. He brought his ass over here, and this is how this shit started. You bring your ass over here, you're trespassing. Simple. Okay. You ain't had to be called back over here. I ain't saying shit to him, and this is how it's gonna be. I will continue not to say nothing to him.
I'm just worried about what happened.
Nothing
earlier.
else happened.
Well,
so it's not gonna flare up no more. Well, you bring your ass over here, I'm gonna flatline you.
Well, I just want to know what happened earlier. That's all.
He brought his ass over here, and I popped his ass.
Okay.
Period.
All right. Go inside.
Now move the fuck on. Nobody paying no attention to your ass.
Can I get your name?
No. Because we handled this morning when the two officers came. Now he got a problem with me, take it to the courts.
Yeah.
Now get out my energy with this shit.
Look,
he can move on.
I'm not about to arrest you.
I know you're not, because this is petty.
I'm just
now y'all
give
can
you
get out my
notice to
energy with this.
Look.
Y'all done disrupt me enough in this city. Now I'm over it.
I don't want to give you an obstruction charge on top of this. Can you please just
You can't give me no charges. I'm sitting in my yard peacefully.
I'm trying to be completely civil with you, all right? All I want is your name. That's it.
You don't need my name, sir.
I do need your name. All right. I'm not taking you to jail, okay?
I know.
Okay. You are going to be under arrest for battery, but it's just an NTA, all right? Just a notice to appear. You can go plead your case, all right?
I'm not fit to be under arrest or nothing from him trespassing. If the officers did not arrest me earlier, you're not fit to arrest me now.
Okay, but you admitted to me that you hit him.
No.
Yes.
They came out here. Go get them. Go get your sheriffs. Go get whoever you need to go get your chiefs, and you go call them officers earlier.
Ma'am, can you sign?
Ma'am, I'm not signing nothing. Like I said, go get your chief. And go get them officers earlier.
You're not going to strong arm your way out of this.
I'm not strong arm myself out of nothing. And I'm not signing nothing.
You're under arrest right now.
I'm not under nothing.
I'm going to take you to jail.
You're not taking me nothing.
I can take you to jail. Adam Moore.
Basia Shakosio. This the one. Basia Shakosio. Ah, yes, Shakosio.
Stop.
He gotta hit her with some act right, man. Gotta get her together. You hear me? Listen, I know it's just about to get good. We just getting to the good part. But here's the thing. She should just, I get it where the officer was like, where she like, yo, the officers came earlier. They ain't had to arrest me. They ain't arrest me then. Now you arrest me. But he got you on camera admitting to firing on him. I mean, did he really have to push it? Nah, but she should have kind of cooperated too, though, because it could have went either way. I think it's under his discretion if he really want to charge her or not. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Let's get back to the showdown.
Basia Shakosio. This the one. Basia Shakosio. Ah, yes, Shakosio.
Stop. Back up. Back up. Back up. I'm not playing.
Just Guaria.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Get back. I say get your chief out here.
I'm not on that with you, bro.
I say get your chief out here.
You ain't have to slam her.
Yo, don't talk.
But I ain't know that.
I say get your chief out here.
Adam 4, I'm fighting.
I ain't know that, bro.
Get your chief out here.
I just had that on video too.
I say get your chief
Fall back, bro.
out here.
I ain't know that with you, bro. But how you
Back
just
up.
stand there, that was so
Y'all gonna stand
uncalled
around
for,
and
bro.
watch? Get on the phone.
That's bad.
Get your cameras out. Get your chief out here. 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 No. Don't touch my arm.
Stand up, man. Stand
You
up.
twisting my arm. Don't touch me.
Stop fighting, stop fighting. You okay? Look, the sergeant's on the way. The sergeant's on the way. Get back up, please. The sergeant's on the way. The sergeant's back up, please. You grab it up. Back up, please. I wasn't here. I don't know. I was here. I was here. Everything's cool. The sergeant's on the way. Okay. Do you want an ambulance, ma'am?
I want an ambulance. I want your chief out
Okay,
here.
the sergeant is on the way.
He ain't putting his handcuffs on me.
Ma'am.
Because he already
Okay,
listened
ma'am.
to this man.
Ma'am, the sergeant is on the way.
They was
Would you
already
like
out
would you like an ambulance?
I want an ambulance.
Okay.
I want a chief.
Well, she was under arrest for battery, now it's resisting.
I was not arrested earlier. How the fuck y'all gonna come out here a second time? How the fuck y'all gonna come out here a second time? This shit was already out. No, no. Get my earring. Get my earring. This shit ain't right. Y'all know this shit ain't right. Y'all been trying to arrest me since I've been down here. Mike, get my earring up.
Right now he's going to interfere and that's
That's not interfering. Sir, it's all good. The sergeant's on the way. Just back up, please. And that's all she asked for was a song.
1263. 1268.
Okay.
I did not assault him. No sec. I did not. You gonna sit up here and I did not admit nothing to you that I assault this man.
Yes, you did.
The fuck I did.
I was about to give you an NTA.
If you got, how do you, what is a fucking NTA?
Would it be a court date and would not be in handcuffs?
So how the fuck is he put me in handcuffs now?
Because whatever happened, I was not here.
No, he slammed me. He fucking slammed. He wasn't trying to listen to shit. No, get my earring up. And you gonna put me in a car?
Yeah,
You going in my pockets?
Ma'am, before you get in the car, I'm going to pass you out, make sure
I
you
got
have
the
nothing else
spirits on me.
in. Okay, I'm going to make sure you have nothing else on you, okay?
The spirits is on me.
You understand what I'm saying?
She said she got the spirits on her. The spirits and the Holy Ghost, boy. They got, whew, man. See, but she wouldn't have got slammed on the ground if she would have just, put your hands behind your back. Once you start backpedaling, you start, nah, they gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? Whether they gotta put one cuff on you or two cuffs or whatever. Either way, you going downtown. This is unfortunate, man. And then the guy, he getting in the way that he was about to tase him and stuff. Like, look, you gotta give some reasonable distance, especially when they're tussling and stuff like that. You could be, you could just get hit just cause you moving too fast. You're getting a little too close now. They better watch out. Shoot, let's get back to it.
Y'all been trying to do this.
It's in the car.
In the car, please.
This what y'all want.
Motherfucking head. No reason at all. Because it's white ass shit in a black shirt.
Don't care.
That's three of them. This motherfucker right here, with the hat on, the skinny one, slammed the girl on the head. Nobody did that. Ain't no disrespectful. And then you gonna jump there and grab this dude right here. This guy right here, you gonna just sit. This motherfucker right here, punk ass, bitch ass motherfucker right here, gonna grab him and try to grab him for no fucking reason. Hey man, hey, listen.
Why in my fucking necks?
Why you got a handcuff, man?
Cause they came off.
Okay.
All these chains are breaking.
Okay. Come outside, please.
Bring his fucking neck.
I'm talking to you. I got
You want to bring their fucking neck?
Please turn around.
No.
Please turn around.
Please
If
turn.
I'm going to
I'm
repair in
asking you
court,
nicely. Turn around, or I'm gonna turn around. Please turn around.
so you can put them back on?
Yes, ma'am. They are
No.
going back on.
I'm going to repair in court.
Okay. You go to court, that's fine. But for right now,
How y'all did for me? Bring your chiefs out here.
I want to see the chief.
How you want if I request for your chief?
well, you know, lieutenant come in if the sergeant feels that.
How I don't have a right?
Sergeant's coming. That's the supervisor you get to see. You don't get to pick which cops you want to show up. Not how that works.
Okay.
Hey, if these came off like that, she's probably got a handcuff key on her.
How the fuck I got a handcuff key?
Can you back up, please?
How the fuck I got a handcuff key?
Ma'am.
Do y'all hear that shit?
Okay.
Do y'all hear this? I got a handcuff key on now. Now I got a handcuff key on me, y'all. Cause the spirits is breaking the chains. I got a handcuff key on me now.
This is piss poor crowd control. I tell you that.
You sit back down,
Look at
please.
the dude in the black shirt. He's right on him.
Y'all just started a holy war.
So why is she? What's going on?
Let me see, please.
The man called. Shut the door for me. Let me explain to my daughter.
When you let your daughter down, she'll talk to you. Have a seat.
The man called.
Let's have a seat, ma'am. Thank you.
What's going on? The man.
She's in handcuffs and she's in the car for resisted arrest. Honestly, she walked down the street.
Thank you. He did it. She did it. What the fuck? Has anybody offered her medical treatment?
You want to check on her head? Ask her if she's okay?
Yeah, ask for an ambulance to come. She could have had a concussion.
Are you the sergeant?
Okay, well, come on.
Yes, he is.
Are you the sergeant?
Let's ask her. Come on.
I'll do things on my time, not your time. Get away from
It's on your time.
Get away from
It's
the
your time. Ain't you at work? This is your time. Make sure she okay. Make sure she okay.
She's been spoken.
Boy, it ain't gonna open. It's locked, ain't it?
That's fine.
Make sure she okay. Make sure she okay. Ask her. Ask her. Ask her.
This ROG, we can't.
Ask my mama if she okay.
You tripping? Get your ass home.
Ask my mama if she okay.
Step back from
Ask her.
We cool
For
though.
what?
What the fuck you on like a
Ask
Captain
her.
American? Boy, you
Ask her. You gon' what? You gon' slam me next? What's up? Ask her. Ask her.
Step back.
Ask her.
We will.
Ask my mom if she okay.
Cooperate with you again. Step back.
Ask my mom if she
I will.
okay.
As soon as you step back.
Ask my mom if she okay. How far you want me to go? Ask her. Ask her. I'm not going nowhere. I got that right to stand right here.
No, you don't.
Yes, it's public.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
Public.
I'm giving you
It's
a lawful order.
public. It's public.
I don't care.
Ask my mama if she okay.
As
I
soon as
can
you
stand
step
right
back,
here.
because
I'm not touching your car. I'm not touching you. Ask my mama if she okay.
Because what's going to happen when I open that door with you screaming out here?
Okay.
She's going to get wound up
Ask
too.
her. Ask her.
So step back so I can
I'm not
talk
going
to you.
nowhere.
You are.
I'm not.
You will.
We ain't leaving till you feel me? Y'all
Ask
pull
my
off
mom
this
if
step
she
back.
okay.
We cool though.
Okay.
We just want to see if she, you know,
Right, and so do I. I want to talk to her, but see how wound up she is in there kicking and screaming and stuff like that.
I'm not
Right,
screaming
and I'm trying to listen to what you guys are
So
saying,
you
all
ask my
right?
mom if she
I've
alright?
not been disrespectful. I've not gotten mad at you guys, all right?
Can
So,
you ask
I
her?
will.
Is her head all right?
Yes, I will.
Because she did have brain surgery before. So ask her. I don't have to go nowhere. I'm not doing nothing. And I'm telling you, I don't have to. I'm not touching.
See, and they already asked her earlier before they even all showed up, and they just trying to demand stuff. Earlier, when everything first happened, they asked her if you wanted medical attention or whatever the case may be and stuff like that. And she said, yeah, I want the ambulance. I want the chief and all this other craziness or whatever. But we already discovered that she wants medical assistance. Now, I don't know why they're not there yet, but that's another story. But they already asked her and they already checked on her. So I get it that that's her kids and they trying to, you know, make sure she good and all that stuff. But look, you got to be reasonable. At least get on the sidewalk, go on the other side. You know what I'm saying? Being right up on the cops like that, especially they letting dude in the black shirt pretty much have free reign. He's all up on the cops, like with they back turned and everything. That is, to me, the cops, before Sarge got there and everything, the whole incident really, they did a piss poor job at crowd control.
Hard. I'm not touching
I give you
you.
a lawful order to do something.
Well, anyway,
That's the way it works.
I got the right to stand here. I'm not disrupting anything.
But as soon as you start screaming, what are you doing? You're going to come over
the
here
white
and start
car.
I'm not.
because you've done that.
The one standing over there behind the other guy right there, Mr. Preppy.
Stand here, I'll talk to her, and do not come over. If you do, I will send you to jail.
All you have to do is ask her.
Probably almost dead right now. And they should have asked him to come out and see his medical attention. She need medical attention. She need an ambulance. She need an ambulance.
No, they know
I'm serious, she need an ambulance.
I ain't with that.
And I seen what happened.
All straight shit on phone.
She just said yes.
Y'all
You heard her?
y'all ask
I know there's gonna be a lawsuit.
y'all ask me corny as hell. Photograph, what for go coming out to get y'all ass that belt.
I live right there. 2124 Millman. And my name is number
There,
10.
spank y'all ass that belt. Put y'all ass
Is
a diaper
anybody
on.
gonna call the
Oh,
ambulance? She did say
His ass
yes.
scared as fuck.
She said
Knock his
yes.
ass clean up.
I could have fed he slammed me. So that's a fucking lie. It didn't have to go.
I f your wife what?
It didn't have to be hard out there.
You gonna cry.
He ain't got one. Look
You
at him.
gonna cry.
Bang.
Jackson, you look up Jackson. You gonna cry.
That's fine.
You gonna cry.
Yes, that was there. So he came after me. Yes,
But on phono grade, you know, all you gotta do is, you know, we can take off the badge, we can fight on phono. I'll beat your ass on phono grade, you know what's up.
I don't
Stop
think you
playing
want that
crazy.
smoke.
Look, I will beat your ass on phono grade, I will walk. What the fuck are you talking about?
Once you get that ass,
You scared as hell.
You want to get that ass for
What?
you go get a
I'll
gun.
draw your ass.
What? He don't got one, but you
Fuck you
do.
talking about?
What you gotta bring a gun up for?
You said a glizzy?
I said, once you get that ass for it,
Oh, don't play with me.
that's fine. Take a step back.
Hey, yo, for look, I ain't gonna lie, fool. Y'all know what's up, fool. Your officers know what's up. You must be a rookie, but motherfuckers know.
Yeah, I know. I know the streets are dangerous and everything. I know all
Fuck you
that.
talking about? You look me up. Fuck you talking about?
What's your name and information?
Go find out.
Exactly.
Bitch, on your camera.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.